Hi, I'm Ty Young. I'm the founder of Ty J. Young Inc. We're a nationwide wealth management firm. And I'm often asked to go on international or national news broadcasts and talk about economic events with the anchors. And before we go on with an anchor on a news channel like that, we do an outline about the topic. We do the pros and the cons about the topic. We do the research, we do the fact checking, and we come up with an outline. And what we do with Facts to Make You Smarter is we share with you that outline. We share with you the facts, the pros and the cons, because they are truly the facts that you can use when you're having discussions with your friends to show that you've got a broad knowledge of a particular topic. This week, we're talking about Fed interest rates changes and how it'll affect the market. Now, there are those who think it's a good idea, and I happen to be in that camp. I think it's a good idea to raise interest rates. They will say the banking crisis is over, and we need to normalize interest rates. And it'll allow us to deal with inflation before inflation comes. We've printed a lot of money, inflation's going to become, we can deal with it ahead of time. Those are really the big three reasons in favor of raising interest rates. Now, there's those who say it's not a good time to raise interest rates. Those folks would say that the banking crisis, the financial crisis, has never ended. The economy has grown at an anemic rate of the last 8 years, less than 2% average during that time. They say that there is no inflation. Why deal with something that we don't have by raising interest rates? Because we don't even have inflation. And last, they would say that the market's going to react negatively. It's going to go down. It has and it will go down as a result of raising interest rates. So there's the for and there's the against raising interest rates. Me personally, as I mentioned, I believe we ought to raise interest rates. I think it's ridiculous for the Fed to hold interest rates this low, this long. And if we do that, if we normalize interest rates, then I believe the market will no longer trade on Fed policy, but it'll trade on the fundamentals, the earnings of a company, the growth potential of companies. And I think that is a huge step in the right direction. So this has been Facts That Make You Smarter. You want to know more? Click on the link below. You can read the whole outline. Thanks for coming.